Growing up, we sold milk to a milk company, and in the morning we had to hurry because the milk truck was coming, and we wanted to ride the milk truck to school. We picked up more milk, and other children got on the same truck with us. Everybody accommodated everybody as much as they could. That's the way people are around here. This has been in our family since 1886.
My great-grandmother purchased the land, was on the title as the owner, which is a big deal, especially in 1886 when, women didn't even have the right to vote. She had an extremely large family, so she wanted to make sure they had plenty of land to farm and take care of themselves. My mom is Wilma Kaiser. She is definitely the matriarch of our family. If you want permission for something, or if you're wondering if this is okay to do, you're gonna go talk to Wilma, which they call Meemaw.
If I had to pick a name for this tree, I'd call it Wilma's tree. It's continued to thrive and survive.
We had to walk past this tree to come home from school. It's been here a long, long time. We didn't have any of the worries that the city kids have. We just believed in hard work. I think in a way we had a lot of advantages. It taught us a lot of things.
We have a very strong work ethic.
We're all just side by side helping each other here. From the kids to the women to the men, it doesn't matter.
There was never any boundaries. No one ever told you you couldn't be something. It just takes hard work.
My father, James Kaiser, or JC, he still gets on his John Deere.
I guess it was probably my father-in-law's or dad's tractor that I saw first.
16.
About 16 years old I was.
Before we got our John Deere, we planted our crops with the mules. To a little kid, it was unbelievable what the tractor could do.
We became very good friends with the dealer.
When you have a business, you treat your people nice and they come back. And it was kind of like you become family.
We've had John Deere's, that's my great-grandfather and grandfather. We still purchase the tractors, we purchase the riding lawnmowers, all the novelty items that we can find, anything unique.
We were so into the John Deere that all the kids started bringing us John Deere stuff. Have it everywhere.
You've got to have dependable equipment, and that's what we rely on, is our John Deere tractors to do the jobs that we need done around here. We take pride in taking care of the land and
making it sustainable for our future generations.
John Deere's just been a tradition for our family. It always will be.
I am James C. Kaiser.
I'm Wilma Kaiser.
I'm Candace Kaiser.
I'm Holly Malloy, and this is our land.